Hi there, I'm Brian with All Guard Windows and Doors, and today we're in our showroom going over Anlin windows and doors and why it's our only premium virgin vinyl line that we offer. So with Anlin, off the bat, it's going to offer a double lifetime warranty, full parts and labor. The double means if you sell your home, that warranty transfers over to the next homeowner for the full lifetime. A couple key points with Anlin is going to be premium virgin vinyl, which just means there's no recycled polymers. They also are going to utilize titanium dioxide, aka sunscreen, so it's going to help prevent fading and chalking. Taking a look here, the exterior of this window that we have in our showroom is going to be black. This is an upgraded color option. Anlin has 13 different Thermocoat options. Thermocoat solar reflective paint, so there's going to be no excessive heat buildup. It's also going to help protect against fading throughout the duration of the product. Coming through here, other couple key features, we're going to have weep holes down at the bottom of every window. That's going to be for any kind of water infiltration. Water will come out of these weep holes through the frame so it doesn't get caught up. Standard, out the bat, low E3, aka Cardinal 366 glass that comes standard, double paned with a 1/2-inch spacer system inside. Now we're going to be focusing on some features on the interior. So this is going to be a white interior, so we have the option to go with the 13 colors on the exterior and then white, tan, or adobe on the interior, with an added color that they just added this year, designer black, which is a black in, black out. It's been a phenomenal feature lately. These are going to be cam to pull locks, or cam pull tight locks, what they're called here. They also have another option called a true action lock. We did an upgrade on these just to showcase what's available. They do have a brass, satin, nickel, rub bronze, and then also a black option as well, which would be an added charge. Pull tight, meaning they'll come up and down. This sash will open up, coming through here. Nice, easy slide mechanism. You're also going to have a vent latch here so that this can open. You can have ventilation without that window opening up even more. Yeah. Another feature that we like about these is going to be how easily this window slides, but also too how easily it is to come out of the sash for cleaning. So you can take a look at the weather stripping that they're going to be utilizing on these windows and their doors as well. For easy clean, this window sash comes right out. Last but not least, we're going to have extruded screen. Now this is another upgrade, if you will, in Anlin's system, but with All Guard, this is an automatic feature that we add on. Is going to be heavy duty extruded aluminum screen with better view screen mesh. So this comes standard with any All Guard window purchase with Anlin. If you take a look, the differences here is going to be that heavy duty extruded aluminum part, very durable. Also here, if you notice, no pull tabs, no plastic pull tabs that snap off, break off on our competitors' windows. There you have it, guys. That's for our Anlin window line. It's going to be carrying our French doors, sliding patio doors, and then any of our windows as well. Any other questions, please direct those to your sales consultant. Thank you, guys.